Hello. Good morning. It's mukbang time. Hello everyone. Good morning. I hope you guys are okay. Comes the tacos that I will eat. This part or this side is spicy, and this side is not spicy because my husband don't eat spicy. This one I put jalapeno in it, so it's very exciting to eat. So let's start. First, okay, let's eat the spicy tacos. This one. Mmm. So yummy. Mm. Sarap. How could I eat all these big tacos plates in him? But I need to eat it. I don't eat everything, but I'm very hungry. How's your tacos, honey? Good. Good. My tacos broke. I'm happy. I feel because what I put in here is beef. I'm sure it won't digest right away, so need to have iced tea. Mmm, yummy. Alright mga palangga, thank you all guys for watching and see you on my next mukbang time. Bye-bye! I love you all!